Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Late as per usual. Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. You're gonna hear background noise, my kids are here. I'm hot, AC's on. You know the deal already. Okay, so for this month we got this little pamphlet. Kind of just letting you know the scoop. I honestly really rarely ever read these, but whatever. We got this first, this palette. I'll let you guys know whether like what items are choices and what items are like curated in the box for me. So Ciate London, I was already looking at the ingredients, talc free, so we love to see that. This is, if I can get the box. This is called Brazilian Glow Eyeshadow Palette. And she looked like this. I can show you without reflecting in the mirror. Look at how pretty. All of those stunning neutrals. This is gorgeous. I'm in love. I like. So we got that. Then we got this right here. Alicia Keys skincare, and this is actually an SPF, so it's a moisturizer slash SPF. Nice. I'm actually super excited, so I hope it doesn't give me some sort of cast, but there's that. Then we have this clear brow gel from who you from? Wingme? WINGME. That's the brand. Well, that's the spelling for the brand because clearly I can't say it. Ooh. Okay. Then we got this called Candy Paint from the brand Sweet Street in the shade Comment. Let's see here. Oh, she pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. There's a little swatch. Ooh, that is nice. Let me see if I could go over top and build this. Okay, you can. That is pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but those little shimmers and glitters. I don't know, it's really pretty. Like you can see more right here. That is stunning. Let me wipe this off before I get all over the place. Then we have this. I actually did swatch this on my hand. I'm going to bite the bullet and swatch it again, but I will tell you, I did not like how this thing right here is swatched because it is super dry. I didn't say already. This is called Lipped Cream Lip Kit from the Beauty Crop. Now it says a lip cream, but this, oh my goodness, this even just swatched on the back of my hand was just so super drying, like paint. Like the color looks pretty, don't get me wrong, but when I let it dry and I was trying to rub it off, it was like crumbling and crusting, and it was just super dry. However, I did like the way this swatch is super creamy. I hope it's not like too creamy on the lips where it's just gonna like move and budge and like get all over my face or whatever, but it does feel nice on the back of my hand. It does feel nice and creamy. I just hope that it would last on my lips. But I won't know until I try it, so it is what it is. However, this liquid lipstick thing right here, let's call it, it is what it is. It's colored paint, because literally it's like trying to get paint. Look at that off your hand. Look. Do you see how that? Can you see that that's like just crumbling? And no, not a fan. I already have super dry skin and my lips are also very dry, so no. It's a no for me. And then the last item is from Dr. Lab. This is an oil to foam cleanser. So I actually have maybe one bottle of cleanser on hand. I mean, not from this brand, just in general. So this will be used after that. There she is. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, overall in the box, this box is kind of a little underwhelming this month. But I mean, sometimes you get some great boxes, sometimes you get some kind of boxes. This box was definitely an I mean, there were products that I really liked, like the palette, and I love having skincare, because skincare, I always say it, skincare is so pricey. So to get that in a box, yes, give it to me. The gloss looks really pretty. I think that's about it. That's kind of what I was excited. Like the brow gel, okay. That Beauty Crop liquid paint thing, no, I could do without. But it didn't wow me. Like this box, it was okay. It just didn't wow me. So there are my thoughts until next month's box. The next month's box definitely should be better because it's the icon box. So if you don't know, I'm pretty sure that's like what they converted the Boxy Luxe boxes to. So it's no longer Boxy Luxe. When you get the quarterly boxes, the big boxes, it's the icon box. So next one should be better. So stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye.